In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a milestone in Monday.com step by step. Milestones are a powerful way to track major project goals like launches, approvals, or key deadlines, and setting them up properly helps your entire team stay aligned. Whether you're managing a small project or a large workflow, this simple setup will make your board much more organized and visual. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com productivity tips. Now, let's jump right in. First, you need to open the board where you want to add your milestone. Log in to your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board you're working on. This could be a project board, marketing calendar, product roadmap, or any workflow where tracking important deadlines matters. Once you're inside the correct board, you're ready to start setting up your milestone structure. The next step is to make sure you have a date or timeline column added to your board. Milestones rely on dates, so this column is essential. At the top of your board, click the plus icon to add a new column. In the search bar, type date or timeline. If you're tracking a single day milestone like a launch date, the date column works perfectly. If you want to visualize durations or broader planning, choose the timeline column instead. Click to add the column and it will immediately appear on your board. Now it's time to create the milestone itself. To do this, click on Add Item at the bottom of your group to create a new row. This new row will represent your milestone. Give it a clear and specific name so your team instantly understands what it represents. For example, you might name it Project Kickoff, Design Complete, Client Approval, or Product Launch. Clear naming keeps your board easy to scan and professional. After naming the item, go to the date or timeline column in that same row and select the appropriate date. If you're using a timeline column and want it to function purely as a milestone, set the start and end date to the same day. This ensures it appears as a single point in time rather than a range. Once you select the date, your milestone is technically created. To visualize your milestone more clearly, you'll want to use the timeline or Gantt view. At the top of your board, click on Add View. From the list of available views, choose Timeline or Gantt. These views provide a visual representation of your schedule. When you open one of these views, your milestone will appear as a diamond-shaped icon on the timeline. This makes it easy to see exactly when key events are happening in relation to other tasks. One of the most useful features here is that you can adjust milestone dates directly from the timeline or Gantt view. Simply click and drag the milestone icon to move it along the timeline. This is especially helpful during planning meetings, when deadlines shift and you need to make quick updates without going back into the table view. Finally, tracking your milestones consistently is what makes them valuable. Regularly check your timeline or Gantt view to monitor progress. As you approach the milestone date, communicate with your team to ensure everything is on track. Once the milestone is achieved, update the status column for that item to reflect completion. This gives you a clear record of accomplishments and keeps stakeholders informed. And that's it. You now know how to add a milestone in Monday.com, visualize it in timeline or Gantt view, and track it effectively throughout your project. Milestones help you focus on what truly matters and give your projects a clear structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.